American robin.
American robin?
Do you see what color the eggs are?
Yeah.
They're blue. Isn't that cool?
They're so cute.
Yeah,
We actually...
I didn't know I can do that with my camera. That's so weird. Wow.
I don't know what I did.
That's so weird, folks. I didn't even know that I could even
I look like a goat.
do this with my phone. That I can look at myself and how did you do that, dear?
You just hit the camera to switch.
I didn't know I can do that.
Anyways, good morning, guys, and we are at the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary today. I've wanted to bring my men here for a while. I have really good memories as a kid coming here, and it's a really cool place because it's safety zone for birds in Alberta, that's in southern Alberta, so that they can come and rest here if they need to. That's what it says. It's a sanctuary, and it's been going on for about 70 or 80 years. So we're gonna go inside and see what we can see. Look at these things. They're like birds. I wonder if they move in the wind or if they just are art. I don't know, sweetie.
They're broken. Yeah.
I think so.
Yes, they are. We're not allowed to fix them.
Oh.
No.
South side of that house. You were almost done your walk by the time you passed that, so they've totally changed it from when I was young, because we never walked over in this part. Never. It's like a locust, though.
Can I see him?
Yeah, you can see him flying.
Yeah.
They look so camouflaged.
Yeah, what is it?
It's just a leaf.
A leaf, but they look like leaves, sort of, eh?
Go away, mosquito.
Yeah.
My gosh. The mosquitoes are out of control. There's one buzzing by my head. Go away. Even though I'm drenched in DEET. And yes, I know it's unhealthy. Does anyone know what those are? There's one there. There's one here. And there's one back there.
I think they are probably some...
I'm assuming there's a type of nest, but does anyone know? Please let me know. Leave a comment below telling me. Thank you. eagle? We just heard an eagle, didn't we? Ooh, is this a beaver dam? Or is this a... Yes, this is a beaver lodge.
Is it?
Look at that.
Josiah. And then they invite you and have tea with them. That is being a bit silly. Is it the Narnia? Narnia the movie?
The light's there.
Yeah, they put a light in there for you. Look at all the different birds.
It's like a nice treat. Seriously, this place. For me, I liked this. I loved it.
The different things that you could find. And next time we'll have to write down some of these to remember so we can find them.
So much.
Oh, and here's stuffed versions so you can see them in real life.
Mama,
Birds.
There's a yellow warbler. There's a Baltimore oriole.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, this is a cedar waxwing. We've had these in Grandma's backyard. They're so pretty. Sitting on the top of this little pole.
this pole
Yeah.
and that pole too.
No, that's a magpie. And look way up there. What's up there? Great horned owl. Mommy saw one of those in real life.
Yeah, I'm scared of it.
Yeah, nests. This is a Baltimore Oriole's nest. Oh, reflection.
Why do they call it Oreo?
Oriole?
Uh-huh.
It's not an Oreo, it's Oriole.
Oh.
This is a red-winged blackbird. Oh, and there's little eggs inside.
Can I see them?
Yeah.
Pretty bad in my head.
Yeah.
The baby
Oh,
birds.
the eggs look so cute. Look, see?
They're so tiny.
The way it's like designed.
The baby birds.
Because they're speckled like that, so it's easy to hide.
Wow.
Look at the hummingbird's eggs. Oh my goodness, look at my finger. They're so tiny.
Yeah, the baby birds.
Hummingbirds are so little.
Yeah, baby
Oh, that's
birds.
like tiny. If you're little.
What's this one?
Baby
American
bird.
robin.
American robin?
Do you see what color the eggs are?
Yeah.
They're blue. Isn't that cool?
They're so cute.
I'm not sure if that was a little house one time. But it looks like it was a little bird house, hey?
That urge.
Hi.
Where does this one go, Mama?
Oh, I think it's way over there. I don't think we've got to him yet. Hi guys, quite a bit later in the day. And we had a busy day. We went to go see we went to go see an older couple that were really important in my life when I was younger. They're kind of like an extra set of grandparents to me. And we hadn't visited them since they moved into an older folks home or whatever. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but anyways, we went to go visit them there and for a little while, and then we went to go see my mom for a while at her house, and then we came back home and made leftover burritos from yesterday, and now we are making a puzzle. You guys will probably remember this puzzle because we made it. We've made it before on the screen.
And I have like a sugar high now, I think.
Yeah, someone ate an ice cream with like butterscotch syrup and chocolate syrup. And
Don't talk about it
who knows
anymore.
what else on top of it.
I feel like so sick.
I took one bite and I thought I was going into a
I feel
diabetic
so
coma.
sick that I'm actually talking about it. It was too much.
That was kind of lame.
sweet. Yeah. It was.
Anyways, I'm actually gonna cut. Yesterday it was rainy, so we went to the mall and Josiah and Isaac played in the little kids play place at the mall. So I'm actually gonna cut to some of that footage right now, and then we'll come back to today and finish off today.
Pink.
Is it pink?
No, it's not. Is
No.
it? Is it? Is it?
The pigs? The pigs are pink. Yeah.
They are.
We're just here with Josiah, right? At a little playground, children playground thing. We wanted to just chill at the mall for a bit. We didn't really know what to do really, so we're like, instead of being home, you know, because today was rainy the whole day, so it's pretty like boring, and you know, rain is not fun. So, but we're here, and Robyn's somewhere around there. She's waiting for us. So, and we're just having daddy and son time, right, Josiah? Are we?
Oh.
Yeah. What are you drawing, Josiah, now? What are you gonna pick?
This one, Dad.
Are you?
This one, Dad.
Oh. Is Josiah driving now? Wow. He's having fun. Yeah?
Puzzle is done and we are going to sign off, I think. So I need to actually go start editing today's footage. So we hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up, subscribe if you are not, as always, and we will see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Buenas noches.
We're being eaten alive. We have to go back and get mosquito spray because seriously, eaten alive. I've been bit like 20 times. Barely even started our walk. Yeah. Help! This isn't fun anymore.